So in this video I am going to demonstrate how we can insert more number of fields without running again and again the insert query. So to do so I am going to run the select query first. So I am going to check what are the tables available in our workspace. So you can see that I have this much table. The thing is, initially while you are running, the default statement will be 10 here. The default count of rows will be 10. You change into 30 or 40, whatever the content that is necessary, and you can run. I am choosing this student table here. Okay, so I'm going to put select star from student. I'm going to run the table. Run the query. I got 2 entries in this table as shown in the video. Now I'm going to describe the student table, like what are the fields that is available in the student table, in that way, just to check what are the fields that is available. Okay, 2 varchar and 1 number. Now we can go to application builder. So just click create here and choose database and click next from scratch and next. Give whatever the name that is apt for this application. Listen, the application is going to give us some form where we are going to input things. Here you just click report and form, and you'll be given 2 pages. Like one page will be generating the report and the other page will be having the form. I'm selecting the table here, student. By clicking this, you can select this table student here. Like earlier I mentioned that I'm going to choose student. So I have to click add page. So you can see there are 2 pages generated. One is a report page and another is a form page. Then you can click create. So you have to remember that the application ID is 106 and the name of that application is entry for students. You can click the create. You can check like application 106 and in the application name is entry for student. 3 pages will be created. First one you can click, it is a report. You can click run. You have to give the namespace name. Username is namespace sample I have created. So just log in using the user workspace. You will be generated the report forms. Okay, I click the pencil icon there. You can click create and you can check whether we are able to create new entry there. Okay, I'm just checking. Okay, we saw that the table has 3 fields. ID field is missing here. That is what it is saying. You can click OK and you can go to the by clicking home we can go back to that application thing, application builder, and you can go to that 106, that is the application that we have created now. We can click that form and you can see that there is a student ID. You can click and edit it, right click and edit it. You can see that is display as hidden. You can you have to choose as text field and you have to click apply changes. So hidden mean it won't appear in the create box, create form. So when you are choosing as text field, it will appear in the form. So create form, so that you can enter some text and you can insert the data. See, you can now it is inserted. Earlier we got some error. Now it is clear that we are able to insert some data using this type of forms here, application forms. I'm changing these things. Like earlier I given Sam, now I'm giving Sam John and giving apply changes, so that we are able to create a new entry. That is, we are able to insert and update using these commands. And we can check like how we can delete. Like we'll check the application, the query, that whether there is 3 entries in this table. In that way we have entered a row, so we can check using the select query. Like you can see clearly that we have a 3rd entry here. Okay, I'm creating another row. You can create a number of rows using these commands. Just you have to create the application for a particular table and they can run the commands. Similarly, you can delete the content from this table. I can show that too. We'll check whether it is there. Okay, in that report form it is only create is there, and if you want the delete there, you can fix it. Now here you can see that delete button is appearing in the form. I told that earlier we selected form and report in the application thing. So this is a report to the page and another is a form page. You have to click the pencil icon and you can delete that thing, delete the row. You can see clearly that earlier we have 4 rows, now we have only 3 rows. 1 row is deleted. So you can check in the SQL query too, it will be reflected there also.